quickly show you how to multiply a whole number by a decimal. I know we learned this before break, so we're just going to do an introduction this week back to it and a review. Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday morning. We are going to review whole number by decimal multiplication very quickly. Again, this is something we began before spring break, so we're just going to spend this week reviewing it and then get into decimal times decimal. So today I have a problem written up here. It's $29.99 times 2. So I'm going to say that I went to Old Navy and I found a pair of jeans for $29.99. When I tried them on, I loved them, so I wanted to get 2 pair. Okay, so I paid $29.99 for 2 pairs of jeans, and I want to figure out how much I totally spent. So when we multiply decimals times whole number, if you remember before spring break, we talked about having to boot that decimal out. We've got to kick it out. So with my green marker here, I'm going to take it and I'm going to kick that decimal out. I want to make this number a whole number. So I need to move my decimal all the way over here to the end. How many times do I need to do that? Once, twice. So there's me moving my decimal out 2 times. It's now over here. I'm going to note that I moved it out 2 times over here in my bubble, just so I have that there as a reminder. So now there's one of 2 ways that you can go about multiplying this. You can multiply it standard algorithm just like I have it set up there, or you could set up your box method. So I could set up my box method here and break up this number by place value, 2,999. Remember, I set it up like that because I have kicked my decimal out. Okay, now I'm going to choose to multiply using standard algorithm first. So I know that 9 times 2 is 18. 8 down, carry your 1 up. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Carry my 1 up. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 9. Carry my 1 up. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I'm going to multiply down here. I've got 2 times 2,000. I know that's 4,000. 2 times 900. Well, that's 1,800. 2 times 90, that's 180. 2 times 9, that's 18. So now with all 4 of these values, I have to add them up. So I'm going to come over here. 4,000, 1,800, 180, 18, add them up, 8, 9, 9, 5. Now, I know that I did not pay $5,998 for a pair of jeans. I cannot forget that I have to add that decimal back in. So with my green, I need to add it back in 2 times to both my answers. Once, twice. Once, twice. So I paid $59.98 for both pairs of jeans. Okay, I'm going to give you one more problem, have you guys work it. So let's say this time I went to Walmart and I found a box of Oreos, and I really like Oreos, and the box of Oreos was $3.89, and I wanted to bring the Oreos to school and split them with you guys. So I need to have enough boxes of Oreos in order to share them with all of you. So I'm gonna get, let's see, I would probably need at least 4 boxes for my class and probably 4 boxes for Mr. Henry's class. So let's say I'm going to get 8 boxes of Oreos. And I'm going to pay $3.89 for each of them. So I've got to multiply these 2 numbers together. So again, with my green, I'm going to kick it out. So I've got to make this a whole number. I'm going to kick it out once, twice, move it over. I kicked it out 2 times. I'm going to circle that over there in my bubble. Then I'm going to start with my blue and go ahead and start multiplying. 9 times 8 is 72. 8 times 8 is 64. plus 7, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So 1 down, 7 goes up. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 7, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I know I didn't pay $3,112. I've got to move it back in with my green. 2 times 1, 2. So $31.12 is what I got here. I'm going to set it up the box method too, just to show you guys what that looks like. So down here, 389, 8. 8 times 3 I know is 2,400. 8 times 8 is 64. Add my 0. 8 times 9 is 72. So let's add those things up. And remember, I like to create a big addition problem going all the way down, but you guys can break it up however you want to. So I've got all that equals 2. 4 plus 7, that's 11. Carry your 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. So I get that. Add my decimal place back in 2 times. Yep. So I paid $31.12 for Oreos.